In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with a link. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to virtual meetings, joining a Teams meeting is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you need to locate the meeting link that you've received. This link could be in an email, a calendar invitation, or even a chat message. Once you have it, simply click on the link. When you do this, it will automatically open Microsoft Teams in your browser, or if you have the desktop app installed, it might open there instead. This seamless transition is designed to get you into the meeting with minimal hassle. Now, after the link opens Microsoft Teams, you'll have a choice to make. You can decide to continue using the Teams app if you have it installed or opt for the web version if that's more convenient for you. Both options offer a similar experience, so pick the one that best suits your needs or the resources you have on your device. If this is your first time joining a Teams meeting, you might be prompted to enter your display name. This is the name that will be visible to other participants, so make sure it's something they will recognize. Enter your name and get ready for the next step. Before you can fully join the meeting, Teams may ask for permissions to access your microphone and camera. This step is crucial if you plan to participate in the meeting with audio or video. Be sure to allow these permissions to ensure you're fully connected and can engage with others in the meeting. Once you've set up your name and granted the necessary permissions, you're almost there. The final step is to click Join Now. This button will connect you to the meeting, and you'll be ready to collaborate and communicate with your colleagues or friends. And there you have it. That's how you join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a link. It's a simple process that's designed to be user-friendly and efficient so you can focus on what truly matters, the meeting itself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.